Windows 10 Basics. On the bottom right-hand side of your Windows computer, you will see the taskbar. Here you can see the calendar, and next to the calendar, you'll find your volume. Here you can put the volume up or down, and there is also a mute button on the left. Next is the network icon. You can see here that I am connected. Next is your hidden icons. Here you can find extra icons that are hidden. On the bottom left-hand corner, you'll find the Start menu. Here you can find your programs, files, and folders that you have on your computer. If we click on the button on the top left, you can see the menu below. Next, let's type here to search. Here you can type anything you want. Let's type Explorer. As you can see, the Internet Explorer program can be opened by clicking on it. This way, you don't have to go through the computer to find your program. Let's type something else. Let's try to find our Documents folder. You can see at the top the Documents folder. We can click on it and it opens up. Let's try to search for a game. Let's type Solitaire. As you can see, Solitaire comes up at the very top. We can also go into our settings from here. Click on it and it opens right up.